For this video, we will define and differentiate what is a scalar and a vector quantity. Each of the physical quantities that we shall encounter in this text can be placed in one of the two categories, either it is a scalar or a vector. What is a scalar? A scalar is a quantity that is completely specified by a positive or negative number with appropriate units. Additionally, physical quantities which have magnitude only are called statics. In simple terms, scalars are quantities that only contains magnitude and with no direction. Examples of scalar are mass, volume, speed, and time intervals. The rules of ordinary arithmetic are used to manipulate scalar quantities. They can be freely added and subtracted, assuming that they have the same units, multiplied and divided. What is a vector? A vector is a physical quantity that must be specified by both magnitude and direction. Examples of vector quantity are velocity, momentum, and force. We take force is an example of a vector quantity because to describe the force of an object completely, we must specify both the direction of the applied force and the magnitude of the force, which apply to the other examples. Another simple example of a vector quantity is the displacement of a particle, defined as its change in position. In the next video, we will now learn and discuss more about vector quantity, so stay updated by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. And shout out to Gerard and thank you for supporting.